Hello, I'm Khan, and I'm going to show you my project for the Artificial Intelligence and Expert Systems lecture. In this video, I will not be able to show and explain you the code of the program, but the code has doc strings and normal comments, and it makes it understandable. You can check it if you want. I'm just going to execute the program and show how it works. Let's execute it. When we run the program, there is a first page pops up. In this page, we create our maze and search algorithm, as you can see from here. I will go with a star search, and I will select the start room from here, and let's choose a goal room as E and click set, and let's put up some walls to our maze. Let's put to DE here and here and click set. When we click the start button, it executes the search algorithm and the new page pops up. Now in the new page you can see the maze that we have created, and you can see the frontier information from here. You can see the expanded paths and expanded room in here and step number. By clicking next button, it iterates the search algorithm, and the finish button terminates the program. One more information about frontier. My frontier is already sorted, and in algorithm it just pops out the first path in the frontier. And let's look how it works. The expand room and the all robot shows up in the path that we are on, and let's click next. Let's see the frontier AD ABC. It went with AD. Okay, click next. It just pops out the first item from the frontier, like I said, because it's already sorted by the calculations of heuristics of the A start search algorithm. Then we click next, and next. When we come to goal room, the path become green, and it shows us the goal room E and search path with the cost, and we click the finish and to terminate the program. Thank you for listening to me. That was my work.